Hello, everyone. My name is Shaquille Simpson and I'm the founder CEO at PhoneBiddy. And today I'm going to be walking you through the PhoneBiddy web application that I developed myself. Now, I had an idea, you know, breaking your phone, how tedious is it to find a technician who has a part or the right price for your phone? So I thought, what about if I created a virtual window into phone shops and people can get instant quotes instantly and they can choose what technicians they want? But during this right to repair movement, I could see that maybe this repair industry won't last in the next 3 to 5 years, due to what companies are doing. Um, let's not get into that because a lot of people feel a bit touchy, and I feel like it's another subject that we need to talk about over another video. But the purpose of this application is I want to look people that are working from home look credible, and yeah, so let me just show you the application and let's go through that. So, as you can see, what I'm planning to do is essentially build growth hubs all over the UK, where the best technicians are in the area and they can teach people how to repair phones. I say the UK, but really and truly, if we could do this all over the world, it would be great. But as as I'm doing a lot of the work myself and developing the application and engaging with people, I can only focus in one place at the moment so far. So ideally, PhoneBiddy is a free application that I developed for phone repair technicians, and the application is developed in Ruby on Rails. Yes, I love Ruby on Rails, guys, and shout out to the Ruby on Rails engineers. Um, and yeah, it's beta at the moment. So yeah, I'm going to be showing you the application through, and yeah. So guys, as you can see, I've now logged in and I'm in my dashboard. Yes, I know that was very quick and you saw that come in, but more or less I was just protecting my email. So yeah. So guys, what I want to do is show you how you can use PhoneBiddy to actually benefit you and actually get more attention. Now, what I'm doing is I've created a Facebook community called the PhoneBiddy Growth Hub, and that's where I engage with other technicians as well as you can engage with me personally to help me understand what features could be useful to you. So let's start in with probably the everyday thing that you guys are probably going to do. Now, as you can see, guys, you can book customers in. Yeah, you can add a new customer, as you can see here. If I click this button, as you can see, everything looks very basic. I just care about the data being there at the moment, understanding these are the right sort of fields that you need. But once you book a customer in, it will send a receipt to the customer straight to their email, which I think is good. And I'm also looking to embed a tracking system. And as you can see, you can just hover over these, and you can actually see that it tells you how many devices that you've fixed that are broken or have a power issue. So as we can see, we have a box here which says we have 3 repair devices and devices in repair. So if we click here, we can see all the list of the devices we've repaired, and we can actually see how many devices we repaired on the days that are listed in the graph chart. So in January the 10th, we repaired 3 devices. Now, this is all dummy data, guys, because I'm a computer programmer. And how I came about this idea, I wanted to repair my own phone because I broke my screen. And I bought a screen on eBay and I fixed it. And it was on a 10 Lite, my phone. And I actually didn't really fit the screen on properly because it was kind of hanging off. But I was watching YouTube tutorials, so I really want to thank the people that put YouTube tutorials on there because it gave me the confidence to want to try. And I tried to repair iPhones and I found them a lot easier to repair at the time. So this is kind of why I built PhoneBiddy, because I want to make it more accessible for people to have information. So without further ado, let's move on throughout the application. So you have your team, so you can add your team. Now, this is where I've left this at the basic functionality. Now, the reason why is because I want to be able to, when you add a team, you could create them a username and password so they can come into your account. So this is another feature that I would like to add. And also we have my favorite feature, which is search articles and create articles, because we watch YouTube tutorials to learn, and this is another way to help you guys rank. So, for example, if I click on this article here, and you can see it looks really basic, I'm going to make that look very pretty, but this article ranks really well. So, for example, as you can see, it's an article, right? But let's just say I type in getting started. Oh, with I know I spelled started wrong, but you can see tech news getting started with PhoneBD. So this is the thing, right? Depending on what content you write, could possibly index or may not index, depending on what the interest is. But hopefully, you guys tend to want to use this. I'm going to be doing another video which will kind of show you guys a bit more. But this is another thing which is a secret weapon of mine, guys, for SEO. And this is, think of this like your LinkedIn profile for phone repairs. What I'm going to do in today's update, which the date is today, I believe, the 16th of January 2021. And I'm going to be sorry, the video cut out. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to add a booking feature in here. So as this is your personal profile, customers will be able to come here and be able to place a booking from your profile page. Now, as you can see, I've made this in a way as such as it's search engine optimized. As you can see, my company is located in Basingstoke. And there's a phone repair service. So as you create your own profile, you'll see the same things for your location. And this web application is only going to get better, guys. This is what my intention is to be able to make this a powerful thing. As you can see, you can also create 3 types of articles based on right to repair or how to fix or text news. Sorry, guys, if you can't see the drop-down menus because I'm using a free recording video on my Chromebook. I love Chromebooks because they're Linux, but I seem to not have found the right software to record videos on here. So if you do know any on a Chromebook, please give me some advice. That would be great. I really do plan on making sure these tutorials that I do are going to be well documented. This is really just a walkthrough. I'm going to be going through each one specifically, and hopefully you will understand a lot more of what I am trying to build here. But yeah, this is it. It's literally. Oh, so of course for this for let's just say for your LinkedIn repair business page sort of kind of thing, right? Your banner image must be a width of 1,440 pixels and 170 high. I'm going to be making these changes. This is a feature that I actually added on the system today. So yeah, guys, there's a lot of work to be done. I launched this on the 30th of November, so there has been some major improvements. We started at 1.0, and now we're actually moving on to 1.2. So you will be seeing a lot more videos of me, and yeah, and actually a face-to-face video, guys. But I thought, really and truly, this was just a rundown on the system and just for you to see the sort of basic features that you can currently do now. And yeah, thank you very much for tuning in. And yes, thank you for tuning in to the future of phone repairs, phonebiddy.com. I've always like to say the future of phone repairs, phonebiddy.com, phonebiddy.com, phonebiddy.com.